Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm your iPhone model and exact iOS version so you apply the right steps. Make sure location services and Bluetooth are enabled because tracking depends on both. Once done, restart the iPhone and the paired accessory. This clears transient state. Keep Wi-Fi available and battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. Also plug into power if updating firmware. These actions eliminate simple software hangups and prepare the device for deeper troubleshooting. Now you dive into the core work. Reset network settings to remove corrupt profiles that block discovery, but remember your Wi-Fi passwords. Next, forget the accessory and Bluetooth, restart both devices, and follow the pairing sequence slowly. Timing matters. Update iOS and any accessory firmware to fix protocol mismatches. Make sure the tracking app has location permission and background app refresh so data flows continuously. These steps recalibrate radios, refresh credentials, and resolve most connectivity. Finish by verifying. Take a short walk and watch how the position updates. Note any drift or lag. Enable precise location for the app to improve accuracy and clear the app cache or reinstall it if data stalls. This refreshes internal state. If problems persist, perform a reset of all settings to revert misconfigurations and gather diagnostics like logs, screenshots, and exact iOS version. One troubleshooting tip. If tracking fails only in one area, test another location to rule out local interference before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.